All right, so we're going to look at displaying the stat plot graph on your graphing calculator. So let's assume that you have to do a regression, whether it be linear, quadratic, cubic, any of those, and you've entered some values in your stat menu. So you have your list one, your list two. I've entered these values. For the most part, they're just random. I entered them here, and then I would conduct one of my regressions. But let's say I wanted to see what these looked like from a graphical standpoint. Well, to do that, you're going to hit second y equals, which takes you to the stat plot menu. So here we want to turn this on, so that way it's going to graph, oops. We're going to turn this on by hitting enter, and we want it to plot it as points like this, so we're good. We can have it mark as plus signs, squares, any of these things, but this works for us. So then we're just going to hit graph, and here we see that it's plotting the points. We can't quite see them, so we're going to go ahead and change the window. So let's just increase the y values of this window. Let's say 20 here. And so we go graph, and now we can see our points. So this is what our stat plot looks like. So when we go to create our regression model, hopefully it's going to account for this random curve, or maybe this is an outlier, but then we could plot the regression equation in our y equals screen, and it should either lay over top of these points, or we'll see how close it is to them. So let's just say we had a random equation. Let's say y equals 3x plus 10. And we graph this now. Clearly that is not a good regression model for this data, but you get the idea. You can now compare your stat plot points to the line that you got from your regression model.